In this video, I'll show you how to register your company on Sedex Advance and how to pay for your account. I'm going to use the details of a supplier called Cold Shack Limited, who've been asked by their customer, P&K Works, to register. Elaine is the responsible sourcing manager at Cold Shack Limited and has asked Victor, who's the technical manager, to do this. To get started, Victor will need to add the company details. Once that's done, he can pay for the annual membership. To register on the Sedex homepage, sedexglobal.com, click on Join at the top right. On this page, scroll down and click on Registration Form at the bottom. A login page will open, where you need to enter your email address and company name in order to receive your login details. In this case, I'm going to enter Victor's email address and Cold Shack Limited as the company name. Click on Register to submit your details. You will receive an email with instructions on what to do next. In that email, just click on the link to complete your details. You need to add your full name and a password for your user account. So let's add Victor's full name here. Once you've done that, click Next. After that, you need to add your company details. Select Supplier B Member as the company type and fill in all of the compulsory fields which are marked with an asterisk. Next, select the country from the drop-down menu. The number of sites will need to reflect how many production or service providing places your company owns or rents, where the employees from your company work. At the bottom of the page, make sure you've read through the Sedex rules, terms and conditions and the Sedex refund policy, and then tick the box to accept. Once you've done that, you can click on Finish. After clicking Finish, you'll see a screen with a Proceed to Payment button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to log in. Once you've logged in again, you'll be guided directly to the payments page. The number of sites shows the number you entered when you registered your company details. You need to decide how many years you're going to pay for, and once that's done, click Calculate. The system will tell you how much to pay and your expiration date. Then click on Pay Now. On the next page, you'll see an overview of your selection. You can either pay via bank transfer or online with a credit or debit card. Paying by card will take you to WorldPay, which is our recommended option, because this will activate your account immediately. On the WorldPay website, just follow the payment process. Once you've completed your payment, go back to the Company, My Company page in Sedex Advance. You can see your account status at the top right under General Information, which should show as active. This is where you can also see your Sedex reference number, which is known as the ZC code. You can also download the invoice from this screen. To do that, click on Payments. Then click on Payments History. Here you'll find a list of your payments, with a button in the Action column where you can download your invoice. Here you can preview and print your invoice. If you need more guidance, click Help at the top right corner of your account. This is also where you can log out. To log back into your account later, you'll need to go to sedexglobal.com and click on the Login button at the top right, and then log in again as an existing user. The next step after this would be to enter your site's details. I'll show you how to do this in the video called Creating Sites.